નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Now our new chapter, chapter number 8, comparing quantities. Comparing quantities, comparing is means सबको पता ही होगा, comparisons, and quantities is means the one type of the units, right? So let's start our exercise 8.1. In exercise 8.1, the first questions, find the ratio of, here is the first questions, rupees 5 to 50 paise, second kilogram and gram, meter and centimeter, days and hours. So dear students, if you are find ratio or comparing any quantities, so first of all units are same. If a given questions unit are different, then your first step same unit. कोई क्वेश्चन में आपको डिफरेंट यूनिट्स दिए गए हैं तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको यूनिट सेम करने पड़ेंगे, राइट? इट मींस कन्वर्टेड. सो लेट्स here is rupees 5 to 50 paise. It means one quantity is given in rupees, second quantity is given into paise. Here is the unit are different, so find the ratio, then and then units are set. So dear students, now convert it rupees to paise. So 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. We all are know, right? 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Same for the 5 rupees is equal to how much? So 100 multiplied by 5, so 500 paise. So dear students, this one is value in paise, this value is already in paise. So now quantities are same, yani ki units are same, both the units in paise. Now we will find the ratio. Okay, so find the ratio. So ratio is equal to 5 to 50. It means 5 की जगह अब हम लोग क्या लेंगे 500. So 500 by 50, 0 0 cut, 5 10 जा, it means 10 by 1. 10 by 1 it means 10 zem 1. So this one is our ratio. This one is our ratio. Understand? Clear? Okay. Now to the next one. 15 kilogram to 210 gram. Here is the one quantity is given in kilogram, second quantity is given into gram. So here also again units are different. So our step is first of all units are सेम. इट मीन्स हमें यूनिट सेम करने पड़ेंगे, राइट? अंडरस्टैंड? सो हियर इज गिवन इन किलोग्राम, दिस वन इज गिवन इनटू ग्राम. सो 1 किलोग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1000 ग्राम. वी ऑल आर नो कन्वर्ट ग्राम टू इनटू किलोग्राम. हियर इज गिवन 15 किलोग्राम इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? सो 15 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 इज इक्वल टू 15,000 gram. This one is converted kilogram to gram. Now this quantity is given into gram, this quantity is also given into gram. It means units are same. Now find the ratio. The ratio is equal to 15 to 210. 15 it means 15,000 divided by second quantity is 210. 0 0 cut. Here is dear students 5 3s are 15. It means here 2 zeros applied here. And here is 7 3s are, right? So here is 300 are, right? 5 multiplied by 100 it means 500, and this 7 is as it is. So 500 it means 500, sorry 500. It is 2 dot, it's called zen. 500 zen 7. So this one is our ratio of the second question. So dear students, understood the first and second questions? Two questions, understand? Okay. Same for our third question. In third questions, 9 meter to 27 centimeter. One quantity is given into meter, second quantity is given into centimeter. Unit are different. So converting meter into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Here is 9 meter is equal to how much? 9 multiplied by 100. 9 multiplied by 100 is means 900 centimeter. So here given value is converted into centimeter. This value is already into centimeter. It means the quantities units are same. Quantities is same unit. Now we will find the ratio. Ratio is equal to 9 to, it means 9 is means 900 by 27. Right? So 9 3s are 27. Okay? Same for the year. 9 multiplied by 100 is means 900. Right? 9 9 cut is means 100 by 3. 100 by 3 is means 100 Zem 3. So this one is a ratio of the third question. Understood? Clear? Next questions. Question number 4. 30 days to 36 hours. One quantity is given in days, second quantity is given in hours. Days and hours is the different quantities, different units, right? So days convert into hours. So dear student, one day, total how many hours in the one day? 24 hours, right? So here 30 days is equal to how much? It means 30 multiplied by 24. 30 multiplied by 24, it means multiply of the 30 and 24. 4 3s are 20, 12, 2 and 1 here, 3 2 is 6 and 1, 7 and 1 0 is here. 720 hours. So this value is converted into hours. This value is already given into hours. So units are same. Now find the ratio. The ratio is equal to 720 divided by 36. This value in hours. This value also for the hours. It means units are same. Okay? So dear students, here is 36 20s are 720. Okay? Here is the 36 cut. Here remaining 20 and denominator is nothing but 1. So 20 by 1 is means 20 Zem 1. So fourth question ratio is 20 Zem 1. Okay students, now understood how to find the ratio? So simple and easy, but if given two quantities different units, then your first step unit are same. आपको दो क्वांटिटी दी गई है और दोनों क्वांटिटी की यूनिट्स डिफरेंट है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको यूनिट सेम करने पड़ेंगे, देन you will find the ratio of the given questions. So this one is our first questions. Now we will discuss about the second questions, the question number 2. In a computer lab, there are 3 computers for every 6 students. How many computers will be needed for 24 students? So in this questions, what is the given? Here is 3 computers needed how many? 6 students. It means 6 students needed how many computers? 3 computers are needed. So here given is the second value is 24 students. Here is the computer value, and this side is the students value. So students under students. So here is the 24 students needed how many computers? Understand this one more times. In this questions, 3 computers for every 6 students. It means 6 students needed how many computers? 3 computers. Right? So we will find the 24 students. If you are 24 students, then how many computers are needed? So we will write here 6 students, 3 computers are needed. The 24 students, how many sorry, 24 students, how many computers are needed? Right? So here is the cross multiplication. It means 24 multiplied by 3. Then write down the 24 multiplied by 3. And this 6 is divided by. So, clear? Now 6 4s are 23. 4 multiplied by 3 means 4 multiplied by 3 means 12. It means 12 computers are needed for 24 students. 12 computers are needed for 24 students. So understand question number 2. Okay?
Thank you for joining us.